Next, we have Katarina Kikis with What is Severe Health Anxiety?
You know that feeling lately when you feel an itch at the back of your throat and then you panic because you think it's COVID-19? Well, this is health anxiety. We've all experienced some form of health anxiety in our lives. For example, have you ever Googled your symptoms, anxiously waited for a test result, or been worried about your loved one's health? Having some level of anxiety about our health is normal, and it can be helpful because it'll prompt us to see a doctor. But what is severe health anxiety? I want you to think of a time that you felt so anxious about something in your life. You were so anxious that it was hard to get on with your day, think about anything else, or even have a conversation with someone. Now I want you to imagine that the thing that you're so anxious about is having a heart attack or being diagnosed with a disease like cancer. You spend extra attention to your symptoms like chest pain or a headache. You spend hours Googling your symptoms, looking for answers to what they mean. Your conversations with your family and friends revolve around your health, that they don't take you seriously anymore. And you go to different doctors and specialists because you're just not convinced they've done a thorough check. This is severe health anxiety, and this is the reality for over 500,000 Australians each year. Severe health anxiety has only recently been identified as a mental health disorder, and despite the burden it places on the individual, we actually don't know much about it, and it's under-researched. So to address this gap, I've decided to focus my research on improving the diagnosis of severe health anxiety. Because without an accurate diagnosis, many Australians will go undiagnosed, undetected, and left untreated. So over the next year, I'll be interviewing people with severe health anxiety to get a better understanding of their specific symptoms, their thoughts, their feelings, and their everyday experiences. I'll also follow people over time to get a better understanding of how their health anxiety affects their quality of life and how frequently they go to healthcare professionals. We hear so many times that our healthcare system is so stretched due to COVID. Well, people with severe health anxiety use double the amount of healthcare services than people with no health anxiety. So if we're able to detect and diagnose these people, we can significantly reduce the amount of pressure put on our healthcare system. An accurate diagnosis of any disorder is the key to recovery for many Australians and people worldwide. The findings from my research will help over 500,000 Australians each year be diagnosed with confidence so that they receive the care they deserve. Thank you.